Hey guys, Adrian here from Passive Income Investing YouTube channel. I am downtown Toronto, and today we're gonna try to ask some strangers about their investing habits, if they have investing habits, and maybe even do a little trivia so they could win some cash. Let's get to it. Hey guys, we're downtown Toronto and we're asking strangers on the street for some investing advice, some questions as well. We're gonna do some trivia, so come on in. We're with Haley, Tyler. Guys, thanks so much for doing this.
Of course.
So, you know, my channel is all about income investing in general. So what would you say, do you guys manage your own investments or do you have a financial advisor?
I manage my own. Manage my own, yeah.
Yeah, likewise, manage my own.
Manage your own, perfect. You're literally like perfect candidates. So what's your biggest fear when it comes to investing in the stock market? Biggest fear?
Probably just like a downturn or like a potential recession or bear market.
What would you do? Would it cause you to panic? What would you do in a downturn? Like we're kind of having one now.
Yeah.
What do you do during that? You stay put? Do you look at switching stuff around? What's your normal course of action?
I'm probably investing more for the long term, but yeah, look for some buying opportunities if it goes down a lot. But yeah, just try to stay the course mostly.
Stay the course.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm the same. We were literally just talking about it the other week, and we're like, oh, markets are down, like we might as well jump in.
Yeah.
A little bit further. So yeah, just mainly just staying the course, and it's a long-term play as opposed to something short-term.
Great advice. All right, next question, then we'll do some quick trivia. Do you guys have a TFSA or RSP account?
I have a TFSA.
Okay, no RSP?
No.
Any reason why, or?
No, like I probably will. I probably should or will this
Okay.
year, but yeah, just mostly at TFSA right now.
Perfect.
I have both.
You have both?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So, last question. What is your biggest gain or loss in the stock market?
Yeah, nothing crazy. Like mostly just invest in like passive index funds. So like it's been last couple of years have been pretty good. So like 30%. I think last year was S&P 500. So
Yeah.
But yeah, this
Pretty
year's been
big
a little
gains,
bit more
now it's a
rocky.
bit-
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm around the same too. Like
Okay.
Some multi-passive stuff.
And your biggest regret, if any, so far?
Probably not buying Bitcoin earlier. Yeah.
Yeah.
Likewise.
Likewise,
'cause,
right, not getting in.
As soon as you just saw it, like many years ago, and you're like, oh, you feel like it's a kind of a trendy buy, and you're like,
Right.
nah, it's not going to last long term. And now look at it, and it's up to what, 80,000.
Okay. Cool. So we'll do trivia. And if you guys get the questions right, $20 USD, not Canadian. You're good with that? So let's start with an easy one. What does the TFSA stand for?
Tax-free savings account.
1 for 1. Question number 2. What are the 7 companies in the Magnificent 7? Who wants to answer?
Video.
Yeah.
Yeah. Tesla, Meta, Amazon, Apple, Google, Microsoft, Nvidia.
Got it. Beautiful. Nailed it. Last one. Pretty easy, but if you get it, you guys win the $20. Can you name 3 super popular indexes or indices? Could be anywhere in the world, doesn't have to be Canadian, or could be any region. 3 indices.
Yeah. S&P 500, NASDAQ 100, and the Dow Jones 30.
We got it. They have won. Here's your $20.
Perfect.
Awesome.
Thanks so much, guys.
Yeah, thanks.
Really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting
as well.
too.
Take care.
Bye.
Hey guys, we're back in downtown Toronto. We're filming here with Sonny, who's been more than gracious to answer a few questions. So Sonny, let's kick it off. Do you manage your own investments or do you have like a financial advisor?
I have a financial advisor.
Okay, so you don't manage anything, it's all deferred to
Most
the advisor?
of it is the advisor.
Okay.
That's some that I manage myself.
Okay, so tell me a little bit about what you manage yourself. Is it like with Questrade, Wealthsimple,
I use
Robro?
Wealthsimple.
Wealthsimple. Okay,
Yeah.
so you take advantage of those 0 commissions.
Yeah.
What do you typically buy? Like single stocks, crypto,
Mostly single stocks. and
Mostly single companies?
ETFs, yeah.
ETFs as well? Okay, perfect. What's your biggest fear when it comes to investing in the stock market or in stocks?
I think currently just like the state of the economy, there's so much uncertainty.
Yeah, uncertainty.
So just like not knowing what's going to happen, and I might lose all my money.
So you have the fear of losing all your money with the uncertainty.
Yeah.
Do you do anything to mitigate that? Or what does
No.
your like financial advisor tell you? If
Yeah,
you're-
it's just like stay calm. Like that's kind of like how things happen in the financial world. Like it kind of goes up and down. So just kind of ride out things and see how things.
So
kinda
stay
go.
in, stay calm,
Yeah.
ride the course.
Yeah.
He's giving you good advice, I think. What's the biggest gain, if you had one so far, what's the biggest gain or loss with a stock?
Probably a couple thousand.
Couple thousand? Are these on ETFs or
Yeah,
like single companies?
ETFs.
ETFs. So you've sold them like in the
Yeah.
red. Do you regret that? Do you think you should have kept them?
Maybe some of them I do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And last question before we do the quick trivia. Biggest regret?
Biggest regret.
Do you have any regrets
Probably
when it
not
comes
investing earlier. Like not investing.
That's a
earlier.
great one.
Yeah.
That's like amazing advice. Almost everyone has that
Yeah.
at every age group that we talk to. And you're a young guy, so imagine. So it's good. You're staying the course. So we'll do some quick trivia. It's not that hard. If you answer the 3 questions, you are getting 20 bucks USD,
Sweet.
no questions asked. So what does the TFSA stand for? Those 4 letters.
Tax-free savings account.
1 for 1. Next one, what are the 7 companies or the 7 stocks in the Magnificent 7?
Oh, I actually don't know that one.
You can try to take a guess. Apple,
No. Apple, maybe like Nvidia. Is that
Nvidia,
Okay.
that's number 2.
Oh, it's tough. I don't know.
Think of big
IBM,
tech.
like IBM.
IBM, no, that's
No?
that's wrong. So
wrong?
it's
Yeah.
Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia,
okay.
Amazon,
Okay.
Meta, which used to be Facebook,
Yeah.
Alphabet, which used to be Google, and Tesla.
Okay.
Last question, what does ETF stand for?
Yeah, this is crazy because I don't actually
Know what
I
it
can't
stands
remember. I can't on the spot. It's like tough.
Exchange Traded Fund.
Okay.
All right.
Exchange Traded Fund.
You've been awesome.
Thank you, man.
Thanks so much for your time.
course.
Appreciate you.
No problem.
Hey guys, Adrian here, and I'm back downtown Toronto. I'm with Hayden, who's gonna answer some questions about investing. So, Hayden, real quick, do you manage your own investments, or do you have like a financial advisor? That's someone that does it
I
for
don't
you.
invest, no.
Don't invest at
No,
all.
no,
Zero.
zero.
Okay. Why are you not investing? Let's do that. How come? Is it because you're scared of the stock market, or?
Yeah, I'm not just familiar with what's going on. Don't have the time during the day to look at the stock
look at
market,
it.
and then just that, right? Because I work from 6 a.m. to 5, so can't really.
If you don't mind me asking,
Yeah.
what do you do?
Electrician.
Electrician.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if you knew more about the stock market, you would maybe be more inclined or
Yeah,
more.
yeah.
Okay. Sounds good. So if ever you would, if you're thinking about learning, where would you go? Would you go like at a bank, financial advisor? Would you go on the internet? Because there's like so many different.
I'd probably do a bit of both. Go to
Okay.
the bank and look online to know, right? Not
Okay.
keep all my eggs in one basket, right?
Okay, cool. Well, I got some trivia questions
Yep.
for you. I know you're not familiar with
Yep.
investing, but hey, you never know. If you get them right,
Yep.
you'll win the 20 bucks. So let's go through them real quick here. Do you know what the TFSA account stands for? You know what that TFSA stands for?
Tax-free savings account.
Tax-free savings account. Amazing. 1 for 3, my friend. Next question. What are the 7 stocks in the Magnificent 7? 7 companies.
No idea.
Not even a couple
No.
of them? Apple.
Yeah, I wouldn't have no clue. No.
Okay. All right. Oh, well. Let me ask the last one, see
Yep.
if you know it as well. What does, I'm sure you heard of ETFs or ETF.
Yep.
What does ETF stand for?
Not too sure.
All right. All right. Well, thanks for trying, man.
No
Really
problem.
appreciate it.
Yeah.
It's exchange traded fund, by the way.
Straight. Awesome. Then what
And-
were the other ones?
For the 7 companies, it's Apple,
Yep.
Microsoft, Nvidia, Amazon, Meta, Google, and Tesla.
Awesome.
The Mag 7.
Okay.
Thanks for your time,
Yeah,
man.
No problem.
Really appreciate
Yeah,
you.
Have a good one.
Thanks. Hey guys, back in downtown Toronto. And today I'm with Philip. We're gonna answer some investing questions with Philip and then do some trivia. If you answer them right, you'll get $20 USD. Ready?
Yeah.
All right, first question, super simple. Do you do your own investing or do you have like a financial advisor or a mix of both?
I have a financial advisor
Okay.
that helps me invest.
Is it like a financial advisor at a big bank or at a smaller company?
Actually, it's from a big bank, from
Okay.
TD, but it's my god sister that does it for me.
Okay, so they work at a big bank, but it's kind of like family.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. What's your biggest fear when it comes to investing in the stock market? Do you have like a big fear?
My main fear
Yeah.
is when like you invest all this money one time and then next thing you know, the next hour it's gone.
The next hour?
Yeah, like
Okay.
it's like the volatile, like the ones I do are volatile stocks.
Give me a few examples of like kind of stocks you have.
So I'm not sure personally what my stocks are because my god sister handles it.
She
but
handles- okay.
I am a crypto guy. So.
Okay, so you invest in crypto.
Yeah.
So crypto exclusively, or also stocks or crypto-related companies as well, or just the cryptos, like the actual cryptocurrencies?
So I dabbled in Elon's company for a little bit, and then it took a hit.
Tesla, you invested in Tesla stock, took a hit, okay?
Took a hit, and then I was down a couple thousand, and from there I'm just like, damn, I don't want this to happen again.
Did you sell at a loss, or did you stay in?
I stayed.
Okay, you're still right now. You're still in it, waiting it out.
Just waiting, yeah.
Okay, cool, good, awesome. Do you have a TFSA or an RSP account?
I have a TFSA account,
Okay.
and I do not have an RESP, but I do have one for my kids.
Okay, and RESP is the for the kids.
Yeah.
What about an RRSP for retirement? You don't have that
No,
one
I
yet?
don't.
Okay,
No.
cool. What's you talked about your biggest loss kind of already. So last question, what's your biggest regret, if you have any, when it comes to investing?
My biggest regret was not getting in sooner when I was told.
That's a pretty common one,
I
and
was
it
told
should
very
be.
young. Like as soon as I hit 18, I was told to hop on the stock and go for the long run, and I wasn't really
Be a long-term investor.
Yeah, and I was really not. I was like not trusting it.
You were not trusting it, so you did it. You didn't do it because you didn't trust it. What made you not trust it? Was it like the media, the news, what you see on the news, the crazy people on the internet with talking about crypto or whatever?
No, it was more so. It was something new. Like,
Okay.
It was new to to everyone, and not everyone knew about it. So
Fair
I
enough.
didn't want to get into it just head in and didn't know what to do. So
Okay.
I'm like, oh, I'm just gonna hold off.
Okay, fair enough. Quick trivia, you get them 3 right, you'll win $20.
Okay.
First one, super easy. You have a TFSA, what does the TFSA stand for?
It stands for a tax-free savings account.
Okay, you already talked about one of these stocks. What are the 7 companies or 7 stocks in the Magnificent 7?
Like Tesla's one.
Yeah?
It's a big 7. Oh, I don't know. Honestly,
Take a guess. Think of big tech. I'll help you out. Think
Big
of big
tech?
tech companies.
so Apple
That's 2.
was Samsung is one.
On the American side.
Oh, American side.
Yeah,
Apple, Tesla. I'm not really fond with, or I don't really know too much about the.
No problem. It's Apple, Microsoft,
Okay,
Nvidia.
Microsoft.
I'm sure you heard that
Yeah,
one.
yeah.
Meta, Amazon, Google, and Tesla.
Oh, okay.
Last question, super easy. What does ETF stand for?
ETF. Oh, it's like
Exchange
exchange
Traded.
I don't know.
Fund.
Fund. Oh,
Fund.
it's exchange traded fund. Okay.
Yeah, you've been a great sport. Appreciate
Thank you.
you
Thank you.
sharing the time. Thanks, man.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.